Hello everyone, this is Bobo Station. Welcome back to another video of 3D printer. Today I'm gonna print Bao, also known as Sycee, and it was made by Magic Fred. For those who don't know what it is, Bao was the currency used in Imperial China, Qing Dynasty, from about 1700 to 20th century. It was made with silver or gold, and its value was determined by the weight of it. So they used a scale to determine the value of its one of its gold ingot, and they determined the value or price of the products. But nowadays, gold Sycees are used as symbol of wealthy and prosperity among Chinese people. I'm not a Chinese, but I'm gonna print this today because it looks just awesome. I think if I print it out with gold color, it'll look so good. And I hope this one brings me good luck and wealthiness. So let's print it out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to know how to make 3D printer by yourself, please click here and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.